Today we have the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This vehicle has done just over 43,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our drive mode button, allowing us to switch between our 4 different driving modes. To the right, we have cruise control, automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our map, navigation, media, and button settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below, we have our climate control. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are cream leather.